Hi friends, now we have one Dell Precision T3500 desktop system. Now we'll show you how to open this cabinet and graphic card, everything I will show you how to open. Simply you need to slide this to open the cabinet. It will open like this. And then this is the hard disk, graphic card, everything will be there like this. If you want to open the graphic card, you need to be open this button. Simply you need to press these two buttons. It will open like this. And then in the graphic card below, one button will be there like this. You need to press this. See, if you press like this, your graphic card will be open. Like this, you need to slide this button. And next, if you want to open the hard disk, simply you need to slide this button. It will open like this. And this is the one cap for the RAMs and ventilator fan. Okay, thank you.